Hello everybody, I hope you have an amazing day today. I prepared the next video for you and today I am going to make 5 cards from this one paper pad. And guys, these cards are very easy and quick, so everyone can make some. In this paper pad there are 24 button papers and 2 sheets of die cuts. So I am going to use the die cuts, so I don't need anything else, any stamps or something like that. So I'm going to use only the paper pad with die cuts. Then I am going to use embossing powder with Versamark ink, and then I am going to use some stamps because I need sentiments. So these 3 things I'm going to use. So very quick and easy. So now I am cutting my panel, and I don't know if you can see it, but in the middle of this paper there are some letters. There is an alphabet. And now I'm cutting this red paper slightly smaller than my card base, and now I am going to stick everything on my card base. So first the red paper, and I think you can't see well the letters, but they are here, trust me. So I'm going to emboss 4 letters, letter L, L, O, V and E. So I get my sentiment love. I am not happy with the first layer, so I am making the second one. Yeah, now it's better, it's definitely better. And I am using the gold embossing powder because on die cuts there is gold foiling, so I think it will match perfectly. And guys, I love my gold embossing powder, so and I am using some of these die cuts. Yeah, this one I am going to use like there. And now you can see the foiling. So I am sticking it down. Now I'm sticking my panel with alphabet. And we are done! Quick and easy. I am cutting this paper in same size as my card base, and now I am cutting the paper like this. You can see it. I don't know how I can say it. I follow the line where the poppies are. So I have the upper part and the bottom part, and in the middle I am going to stamp some sentiment. And now I don't like the really white paper of my card base, so I'm going to stick here a little bit yellow, a little bit more yellow paper like this one. And now I am embossing my sentiment. Maybe you can't see the difference, but trust me, the difference is here. So now I'm sticking everything together, and now I'm using the white glue because I want to stick it nice and straight, and it's easy for me to use white glue instead of double-sided tape. And now I'm thinking I think my card needs something more, so I'm going to emboss the middle part of the poppies, so they will be nice and shiny. So card number 2 is done. So next card number 3, and this one is the quickest, I think. So I cut this red paper slightly smaller than my card base, and now I am going to stick one of these flower on the position where the black flower is. So now I'm going to emboss my sentiment, and as you can see I emboss it directly on the red paper, but I don't like it, so I'm using the leftover from the card number 1, and I am embossing the sentiment once more, and it's more, and I like it more like that. Yeah, the sentiment, you can see the sentiment nicely. It's much more better now. Now I'm sticking the panel of on my card base. Now I'm sticking the flower with some foam tape on the top of the black flower. So here we go. Now I'm sticking some little sequins on my card base, and I am using this white pen. It's like sticky pencil, so you can easily put the sequins on the place. I am using the same, like more yellow paper than the card base. Now you can see the difference. I hope you can see it. I think it looks better than the normal white paper. I am sticking this red button paper on my yellow panel, and it's left over from card number 1, and I am going to stick this die cut like that. And now I'm embossing my sentiments. Congratulations! And I am sticking the die cut like in the middle of the pattern paper and normal paper, like that. And now I'm sticking the panel on my card base, and it's done. And the next card number 5 is here. So I am cutting this red paper slightly smaller than my card base, and now I am planning my composition. So yeah, this is better. I think I like this more. And the only thing that I have to do is sticking everything on card base. So the pattern paper, one die cut, like this. The sentiment here. Here we go. And the beautiful flower with foam tape. And guys, it's done! We have 5 cards, 5 very easy and quick cards. Yeah, no, sequins. I add some sequins too. Here you can see all 5 cards together, and let me know which your favorite one. My favorite one is card number 2. I really like this idea of cutting the curly lines, or I don't know I don't know, you know what I mean. So number 2 is my favorite. So please let me know which one is your favorite, and I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. So I have 4 more paper pads, and I'm going to make with them 5 cards too, so this will be like little series with 5 parts. So this is part number 1, and 4 more will be coming very soon. So yes, thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please leave some comment or click on the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. I really appreciate all your feedbacks. So see you next time. Be art.